Good evening, YouTube followers. This is Rick, Black Rifle from North Augusta, South Carolina, coming at you today with the big iron M110 308 7.62 millimeter Nato cartridge. This big iron is a very heavy AR-15. I think it's number 15 out of 1,000 of them. Anyway, it's a very heavy AR. And as you can see, there's the bull barrel. That's 22-inch barrel. And this is a sniper rifle. Anyway, I have the 168 grain hollow point match bullet sighted in. Here the flat dark earth matches my Springfield XDM pistol, 9mm. Anyway, it's topped off with a Sightmark Wraith HD digital night vision scope. Anyway, that's it. Now I can move this flat DIR flashlight. I can move it down here on the rail. This rail is very heavy. It's all made of steel. The receiver is steel. And I'm using the 168 grain bolt tail hollow point as my hog hunting cartridge. Anyway, that's it. It's called a big iron M110. Now I've sighted this in. I zeroed at 50 yards, then I zeroed at 100 yards, then I zeroed at 200 yards. So I saved all three of those zeros in the scope and could go to the different zeros on the fly through the menu system. Now it's a digital day-night scope, so it's good for nighttime and it's good for the daytime, but it's not thermal. I'm pretty sure that this scope will handle the 308 recoil. I didn't put my thermal on it because I was kind of afraid of the recoil. So we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. We'll see how this does. So far, so good. But this rifle's capable and I have shot targets at 1,000 yards with this rifle. I have hit iron 18 by 36 silhouette target. Measures from a man's waist up to the top of his head. It's 36 inches on the average man. And from armpit to armpit is about 18 inches across. Anyway, that's the iron target I shot at 1,000 yards out there at Fort Gordon, and I did hit it. But other than that, this is a real heavy rifle to tote around. So I towed it to the stand, but that's it. We'll be shooting it from a sitting position in the stand. I'm not going to be humping this thing all through the woods and everything. And anyway, I have the Sightmark external battery, and it plugs in on the other side of the scope here. And I'll tell you, that's a big plus. It gives you about 10 hours of power for the Sightmark Wraith. It'll power that thing up for about 10 hours. Anyway, 20 round mag, and these are the bolt tail hollow point bullets. These are National Match Bullet 168 grain, and I use these primarily on hogs, coyotes, or deer. I have 180s too, and those hit a little harder, but these do just fine on the hogs. We're gonna take this out one of these nights and do some hog hunting. It doesn't record audio, but it records video, so you'll be able to see that, and then you'll be able to see the fact that coyotes too. So you'll be able to see it on the video. It records both day and night. So I have a 64 megabyte chip in the SD card, mini SD, in the scope. This is the 308, like I said, and then my pistol, it matches. So it's all flat dark earth. But that's it. That's the only AR-10 or M110 that I have. So that's the only big rifle I have. The others are 223, 308, 6.5 Grendel, 350 Legend, and 300 Blackout. Those rifles are all ARs also. Anyway, I have the Sightmark Mini on my AR-15 20-inch barrel, and I didn't want to put the Mini on this and risk it not handling the recoil. I didn't want nothing to break, so we'll go with the Sightmark HD for now, and we'll play it by trial and error. I have two thermals. One's a Pulsar, one's an ATN, and I have those on. One's on a 300 Blackout, and the other thermal, the Pulsar, is on my 350 Legend. This is Rick, Black Rifle from North Augusta, South Carolina. Just wanted to show you that sniper rifle, and it is a nice rifle, very accurate. The receiver is a steel receiver. It's milled out of steel. It's upper and lower. It's a billet, steel billet. Everything's steel on this, to include the adjustable gas block, and the barrel nut. It's steel too. Everything is solid steel, so it's quite heavy, but that makes for a light recoil when you don't have any recoil at all. Thing kicks like a BB gun. So hopefully this scope will hold up to the recoil, and we'll be alright with it. And maybe I'll put a smaller scope on it, lighten it up with the Mini. I'm thinking about selling one of my HDs. I have two of them, and I have a Mini. I had the Max, but I sold it because of the menu system in it. I didn't like it. This is Rick, Black Rifle from North Augusta, with the 308 M110 Big Iron, made in Clarksville, Tennessee. I don't know if anybody's heard one or anybody has one, but they've gone out of business, and I have, like I said, one of 1,000. So this is one rifle of 1,000 of them made, so that's it. There's only 1,000 of them made, so there you go. We'll catch you later. Bye-bye. From North Augusta, South Carolina. Have a great day. Bye-bye.